At birth, the auditory system is functioning and completely developed. The middle ear structures are done by the 37th week of prenatal development. Remember, the inner ear is adult size by the 20th week. It's a 40-week gestation period. But the external ear canal and the auditory canal, they continue to grow as the child grows up till the age about 9. Normal development of the auditory system, including the neural innervations, begins in the early weeks of embryological development. The ear develops from the same embryonic layer as the central nervous system. You have the outer, middle, and inner ear, which make up the peripheral auditory system. They function to receive sounds. The brainstem and the auditory cortex make up the central auditory system. They take sound from the peripheral system and code them for more complex, higher order processing. So 2 general processes of hearing exist. We have transmission of sounds to the brain through the outer and middle ear, and the understanding of the meaning of the sounds once they've been transmitted to the brain. So data input precedes data processing. An infant or a toddler must have information or data in order to learn. And the primary avenue for entering information into the brain is through the ears via hearing. We are neurologically wired to code and develop spoken language and reading skills through the auditory centers of the brain. If the data are entered incorrectly, incompletely, or inconsistently, there will be incorrect or incomplete information to process. The brain can only organize itself around the information that it receives. Hearing aids, cochlear implants, and assisted listening devices are only effective if they are used consistently and correctly. All corrected data needs to be re-entered. The longer a child's hearing problem remains unorganized and unmanaged, the more destructive and far-reaching the snowballing effects of hearing loss. Early intervention is critical, and the earlier, the better.